dear buyer who is watching this video now. Welcome to our shop for MIC Medical Technology Co. Limited. Today we are going to talk about our main product. Let's take a look. 10 litre oxygen concentrator. This product is equipped with 360-degree universal wheel. It's very mobile and convenient and free rotation. Customized oil-free large discharge compressors. It can continuously operate 18,000 hours. One button operation designed for the elderly. 10 litre medical flow rate. Oxygen concentration is consistently above 93%. High efficient lithium molecular cells can also produce oxygen efficiently and operate stably. 5 layers noise reduction technology. Strongly reduce noise and make you sleep well. MIC portable medical oxygen concentrator. Supply oxygen stably and it is trustable. Thank you for support. Wish you a happy life.